Good morning, Tigers. This is Miss English with your morning announcements. Today is Monday, March 30th, 2020. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. We will now pause for a moment of silence. Now we will say our school pledge. At all times, I will do my best to be responsible, respectful, do quality work, and help others achieve their goals for an excellent school year. Tigers, we have had a lot of birthdays since we were last in school. So let's go ahead and get started. Our celebrations will be a little bit different because we can't come to the office, but we're going to celebrate here together. So here we go. On March 17th, Isabella Sanchez in 5th grade and Zymir Whitfield in kindergarten had birthdays. Happy birthday, Isabella and Zymir. On March 19th, Nalia Everett in 5th grade and Soraya St. Clair in 1st grade had birthdays. Happy birthday, Nalia and Soraya. On March 21st, Kennedy Grays in 5th grade, Damian Jimenez Corneli in pre-K, and Tyshawn Robertson in 5th grade had birthdays. Happy birthday, Kennedy, Damian, and Tyshawn. On March 22nd, Zakaria Webb in pre-K had a birthday. Happy birthday, Zakaria. On March 23rd, Countess Gonzalez in 3rd grade had a birthday. Happy birthday, Countess. On March 24th, Abria Streeter had a birthday in 4th grade. Happy birthday, Abria. On March 25th, Reynaldo Flores in pre-K, Matthew Gonzalez Santana in kindergarten, and Misael Rodriguez in 1st grade all had a birthday. Happy birthday, Reynaldo, Matthew, and Misael. We also had Mr. Leland Williams in 1st grade on March 25th. Happy birthday, Leland. On March 26th, Mason Norfleet in kindergarten celebrated his birthday. On March 28th, Timothy Hammond in 1st grade and Zante Taft in 2nd grade celebrated a birthday. Happy birthday, Timothy and Zante. On March 29th, Jamila Munoz in 2nd grade celebrated her birthday. Happy birthday, Jamila. And today is Shakir Teal's birthday in 5th grade. Happy birthday, Shakir. Now for our announcements. We have a big thank you to give to our child nutrition staff and our meal delivery crew for getting us lunch every day between now and the last day we were in school. You are our heroes. Today is the first day of online learning. You have obviously already checked Canvas, but now it's time to go to Google Classroom to check out the assignments and activities your teachers have given you. Don't forget that you can email them, you can send them a chat message, or you can have your parents send them a Class Dojo message if you have any questions. We also have an online or virtual family coding event today at 10 o'clock. See the Class Dojo message I sent to your parents last Friday. I'll also send another one here in just a few minutes to remind them and show them how to sign up. This week's Positivity Project focus for character strength is humor. And remember, if you have the character strength of humor, you love to laugh and bring smiles to the faces of others. So in honor of this week's Positivity Project character strength, I'm going to share another joke. What did the science book say to the math book? Wow, you've got problems. Ba-dum-bum. That's it for our announcements today, Tigers. Please remember your tiger paws as we start our online learning. Be prepared, be accepting and respectful, be willing to learn, and be safe. Have a marvelous Monday, Tigers. We miss you very much, but we are excited to see you for online learning today.